everybody, welcome back to Harmonious Adventures. For those of you who are new to the channel, welcome. We are packing for a trip to Walt Disney World, and so this trip is going to be a little bit different in that it is scalding hot outside, and we are going to do a lot of water parks and keeping ourselves cool. We're mainly going just to have fun at the water parks and to do Starlight Parade, the new Disney parade that has come out. It's their nighttime spectacular. So I just wanted to give you guys the real truth about packing. And I have been going through so many fluctuations in weight. And I will say it has helped by doing my diet in the faster way. It's a fat loss program. But I still have water weight, and I think I have decided to stop the progesterone. So I am trying clothes on to pack, and I am feeling so incredibly just swollen and bloated. And on top of that, I haven't been eating right. And I'll do this where I just lose control. And I'm like, I don't care that I'm going to be swollen. I'm going to eat this salty food. And then I'm swollen for 2 or 3 days and feel terrible. So I've got to be better about that. But I thought I'd be truthful and honest and come on here and tell you guys what is going on with my packing. And I'm just in kind of a weird funk today. So Ryan just took Bo down to the beach, and I'm sitting here I'm picking my nails off. I've got these out. And I'm doing that because I'm putting some new nails on, and I'm just I don't even want to do that. So I don't know. I'm just in a weird, not depressive funk, but definitely feeling off, hot, exhausted, tired. Today is just an off day, but I'm drinking water and lemon, and I'm going to take some turmeric because that always helps me feel better. But when I tell you guys that I tried on my little workout dresses, I just feel like I need to either go my smalls to a medium or my mediums to a large. It just depends on the brand. But I feel like I need to size up so that I don't feel so bad whenever I'm swollen. I just feel like I'm like a stuffed sausage in these tennis dresses, and I want to look cute and tiny like these other girls do. So it's just really frustrating. And I thought I'd share that with y'all. Because not every day is a great day. I don't want to put negativity out there, but I certainly want to be authentic and tell you guys how I'm feeling and what's going on. So sometimes packing for Disney is hard because I've really felt this probably in the last year. It's just, unless I wear the large t-shirt with bike shorts, I just haven't been feeling comfortable lately in my little skirt and t-shirts, the little tees that I've been wearing. So, or the athletic dresses. Like I said, I just feel like a sausage that's just stuffed into these casings. Does anybody else feel that? I don't know. And it's just discouraged me. And now I'm like, oh, I'm not going to look cute. And I don't know. I'm just going through it. So anyways, I have so much laundry. I'm about to flip the camera around to show you how much laundry I have and what I'm trying to pick out to wear and to bring. Oh my God, so much. So anyways, just hang out with me today as I'm packing. This isn't going to be a typical packing video like I normally do. You can see my other packing videos. I'll link them down below. They're much happier than this. But this is, I can't fit in my clothes, pack with me for Disney. I'm feeling bloated as shit. Welcome to the vlog. You can subscribe for more videos like this. All right, stay tuned. Let me show you guys this mess. This is currently what I'm dealing with. I mean, crazy, right? So all of that stuff over there, this stuff, didn't fit me at all. This little red dress is so cute. I just bought it off TikTok shop from Halara. And I got a small. I don't know what the hell I was thinking. I was probably just feeling tiny that day. Definitely should have gotten a medium in that. Now that I'm thinking about it, I'm like, did I get a medium? I don't know. These are the typical little white tanks that I wear with my skirts. So I do have that, but I'm just praying that I feel less bloated. This is all of Bo's stuff right here that I'm gonna pack. And then I've got to fold all of this. So let me get this folded before it wrinkles, because this is looking wrinkly. Okay, so I'm all finished folding. I'm going to take my suitcase now and fill up things that I know are going to work for me. I'm really going to go for comfort when it comes to picking out clothing for me. I'm going to bring this red Halara dress and pray that I feel comfortable in it. But if not, just have some soft, cottony, like light clothing to wear to the park. We will only be there for 4 days. So I don't have to bring that much stuff, but because we are doing the water parks, it is going to be more clothes than normal for just like a short trip. It'll be more like packing for a cruise because we've got your water park stuff, regular resort wear, and then a nice outfit for dinner in case we decide to do something like that. So come with me as I load up the suitcase. All right, well, I'm done packing, and I have no idea what I packed. Have you guys ever done that? You're just like, I think this. No, it's probably just me and my ADHD. I have no idea what I have just packed in there, and I'm not going to go back through it. So I know that I have basics that will work, and I'll put stuff together as I get there. I have underwear, bra, socks, swimsuits, a cover up. I cannot. Now for accessories, because that's the most important. So, come with me as I get that. Let's go in the closet. There's a guard dog who's telling me, "Do not show your closet, Mom. It's a wreck." I know. You know what? We are real. We are authentic. So, guys, be prepared for the disaster of my closet. I know. But this is where we're going. Over here to the junk, all the cheap jewelry. Okay, maybe not cheap because it's beaded blonde, but you know, it's not fine jewelry by any means. So, I think these would be cute to bring. And I want to bring some Disney stuff, maybe like these little guys. Wait, can I show you what they look like? Maybe those. Let's maybe put my old checkbook up. These are kind of cute. I don't even know what outfits I have. I know I definitely have some black and red. So I'm going to bring these. On camera, you can't tell, but these are actually burgundy. Wait, maybe you can. They're like burgundy and pink. Very Disney. So I'll bring those. And they're also kind of fall. This will go cute with my linen stuff. So I'll bring these. I've got like a little linen dress in case we go to the boat house or something. Okay, let's look at this stuff up here. I kind of want to do color. Nothing can stop us now. I'm going to do the red and black for Mickey and Minnie. Because I know for sure I do have a little black outfit that has a little bit of red. So that will be cute for Mickey and Minnie. And then maybe I'll just bring a mixed metal set. Okay, this one's multicolored. I could wear that with anything. So I'll put that up there. And I'm just going to grab these here on the end. Look, this one's a mixed metal right here. So I'm going to do this mixed metal and do a gold set. And then this is more silver, these two right here. Even though it's mixed metal. So I can kind of mix these all around. I feel like that's good. Plus having these for the linen dress. Oh, you know what? I've got little ghosties. Where are my ghosties? Okay. Is this cutting my head off? I'm gonna move this. Because I think that there's some stuff in this little chest. It's all cheap shit. This is gonna be a staple. Gotta bring this. It's a rhinestone. Let's see if, oh my God, it's backwards. Hold on. You guys see that? It's really cute. I love that. Okay. We will pack that. I think that I might have put them in my travel case. I did! Y'all, aren't those little ghosties so cute? Okay. So I'm gonna take the little gingerbread and the candy canes and the ribbon. I'm gonna take those out. These little bracelets. I'm gonna put these in there. I'm gonna put the little colored one that's multicolored. This would actually go so cute with this shirt. Okay, which brings me to the sponsor today of the video. It's Florida Coast & Co. Amanda Reed is the maker of these shirts, and she sent them to me. So I picked out the colors. I love on her website you can do, these are comfort colors, so you know that they're never gonna shrink. They're super comfortable tees. They never get hot. And she did all of my custom ones, which I think, do I have one up here? Yes. She did all of my logo tees for the for Harmonious Adventures. It does look a little strange on this yellow that I picked out, but they're great quality. And then on the front pocket, she did Harmonious Adventures. So when we're at Disney, I have one already packed. I got this one for sleeper shirt. It's a large, but I just want to show y'all. So I'm gonna wear it around Disney. Try to get my YouTube channel out and about, so you guys have to follow her. I'll put her link down below. She does custom shirts, but then she also has these really cute Florida designs. So this is one of them. Anyways, I'm gonna tag it down below. She's freaking awesome. Amanda Reed at Florida, look at this, Florida Coast Co. Okay, so go look at her stuff and buy some t-shirts from her. She's so talented and creative. I have known her. We went to college together. And when I tell you that this girl was one of the most creative people in our sorority, like, she always had, I don't know, she was always doing some creative shit, like, always looking good. Her room always looked so cute, like interior design stuff. You know those people who just, like, get it? She got it. She got the creative gene, honey. All right, so I've got all of this packed up. Okay, so I just moved the case back over. I packed all the stuff that was right here into my travel jewelry box. And then I wanted to show you guys, this is just a basic of all the sunglasses that I keep in here. These are dupes, and then these are like my Ray-Bans, my Costas. These are more dupes. Usually I keep more of like my actual wear on the boat all the time, so my polarized glasses are on this side, but excuse me, I've been moving stuff around a little bit, trying to organize. Anyways, I am going to take these because I'm loving these. They're the cutest little fashion, and they're like Ray-Ban dupes in my opinion. And I thought about maybe these, but you know, these are so similar. I'm definitely going to be bringing these, and I think I'm gonna bring my Costas, which are just like a black band like this. Let's go find those. So I'm gonna pack these. Look at Finn. Went and found my sunglasses, and I think I'm gonna keep them out because I wanna wear them tomorrow. But I did find some other accessories. Okay, here are some things that I added to. I need to steam this, even though I know it's probably gonna get wrinkled. These are my favorite ears. I'll link them down below. It's an Etsy shop. Every time that I wear these, I have these in every color. And every time I wear these to the park, I get so many compliments. Okay, they fit my head. I can't wear like headbands. They hurt. And these guys don't hurt at all. And they're like super fluffy and squishy, and that big old bow. I just love that bow. Okay, so I'm going to steam the shirt. I threw a few little hair clips in here for me to have. And then this is an accessory that's a must have, especially if you're going in the summertime. But you know, Florida, you can be in the pool, especially Disney pools. They are heated all year round. So you can bring this. It's a little safe that we take with us to water parks or down to the pool, and we can keep our phones, wallet, whatever, any kind of personal items in the safe and walk, you know, into the restaurant or walk around the property or something and not worry about leaving our things there. The other thing that I grabbed is Bo is into these sunglasses, which is hilarious, and his goggles for the pool. I've got hand sanitizer. And of course, because it is Florida, we've got this bug itching cooling spray. It's also good for any type of sunburn. But we typically don't have to worry about that. Better knock on wood. But usually we are all sunscreened up. This is more for just little mosquito bites, insect bites, that sort of thing in case we need it. One time I was at a Disney pool and did in fact get stung by a wasp. Lindsay, you know what I'm talking about. So always keep that with me. And rolled up underneath the bed is my Downy Wrinkle Release Spray. So I'm going to grab that. I did pack my all white tennies because those will be cute. My Croc flip-flops. These are super light, comfortable. I can wear these to the park and they don't bother me. I think I have shown you guys everything that I have packed. If you're wondering where Mr. Finn is going to go, he is going to Andrea's. Is she going to go to Andrea's? Yeah. His trainer, she is going to watch him while we're gone, and he loves it over there. Yes, you love playing with them dogs, don't you? Yes, you do. There's another golden over there, and then she has a golden mix named, a golden doodle named Finn as well. So this is baby Finn to her. And then you got the big Finn. Yeah. Oh, look at that face. I know. You see the bags? It's going to be fine. It's just going to be 3 nights. 3 quick nights. Yeah. All right, that's going to do it for me today. Don't forget to pack your toiletries, your curling irons if you need them, that sort of thing. I pack last minute, so it's not going to be included in the video, but don't forget to pack all of those little fun items and your sunscreen. It is Florida, so even if you're going in the wintertime, bring sunscreen. All right, thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe. I hope that this video related to you. I am starting to feel better as I'm packing. I don't feel as bloated. Maybe it is the water with lemon. I'm not sure, but I am feeling a little bit better as the day goes on. So thank you so much for coming along with me on this crazy journey of packing up for Disney World. We will see you real soon in Disney, so follow along with us as we head down to Orlando. I also want to mention, like and subscribe for more videos, and leave a comment down below. What is your favorite Walt Disney World ride? I can't wait to hear what it is.